Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 46. How to delete a campaign in Microsoft Ad Editor. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to delete a campaign in Microsoft Ad Editor, step by step. So let's get started. So we are inside the Microsoft Ad Editor account, and on left you can see a list of all your campaigns. From here, select one and right-click on it. From the list, select Delete. Then you can see that the campaign moved to last and is crossed out. Similarly, repeat the process with another campaign. Now select it from the bottom, and when you right-click on it, you won't see a delete option. Similarly, you can delete as many campaigns as you want. So this is how you can delete a campaign in Microsoft Ad Editor. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 47. Import Google Ads campaign. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to import your Google Ads campaign, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.